So I'm going to show you how to set Gmail as the default email client in Google Chrome. So what you're going to want to do is come down here to your search bar and you're going to want to type in default apps and it'll be default app system settings. And then where it says email, you're going to want to choose Google Chrome. So then we can X out of that, and then when we come into Google Chrome, we're going to want to open Gmail. And so when you open Gmail, you'll see this protocol handler icon, which is this double diamond. And so if we click on that, we're going to want to change this to allow, and we're going to click done. So if these protocol diamonds don't come up for you, or if you have previously or accidentally, click ignore or deny, and then click done. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come up to the Google Chrome menu, which is these three dots in the corner. You're going to want to go to settings. You're going to want to go to privacy and security, site settings, scroll down to additional permissions, protocol handlers, and so since we hit ignore, this is under not allowed to handle protocols, so we need to remove that from there. It's also possible that you have sites that aren't allowed to handle protocols, so if that is the case, you're going to want to switch it to sites can handle protocols. And then after that, you're going to want to close the Gmail that you have open a new tab, go to Gmail, and this should come up and allow you to click allow and then done.